Hello everyone, this is YouTubeBUDDY. In this video, we will discuss about relational operators, which are also known as comparison operators. The relational or comparison operators are used to compare two variables. These operators check the different properties of those variables and returns a Boolean value true or false. We will discuss about all the relational operators one by one. The first operator is equal to, which is denoted by double equal sign. This operator checks whether the values of the two variables are equal or not. It will check only the value. It doesn't have any concern with the data type of the variable. We have also written console.log x equal to y, and again console.log x equal to z. So now what should be the output for line number 9 and 10? Observe, the value of x is 10 and value of y is also 10. So as both the variables are having the same value, it should give us true. And we have the z value as 20. As the value of x and z doesn't match, it should give us false. We will save and execute our code. You can see after execution we got true and false as expected. The next operator is not equal to. This is just opposite to the equal to operator. The syntax is one exclamation sign followed by an equal sign. So if I apply the not equal to operator here, like x not equals to y and x not equals to z, what the result it should give us? We already know x is equal to 10 and y is equals to 10. And it is saying x is not equals to y, so it should give us false. And here, as we know, x is not equals to z because x value is 10 and z value is 20. So this statement is actually right. So it should give us true. We will execute our code. See, we got false and true. The next operator which we are going to discuss is identical operator. This is indicated by 3 equal sign. If we apply identical operator here, it should be x triple equals y, and here also x triple equals z. The most interesting concept regarding identical operator is this operator checks both the variable value and the variable data type. If the variable value and the data type both are same, then only it is going to give you result as true. If either of these two criteria, data type or value, are not the same, this will give you false. So when you are going to check both the variable value and the data type, you need to go with identical operator. If we run the code now, it will give us true and false, right? We got the output. Now if I change the data type of y from number to string, you can see immediately we got one error which says this condition will always return false since the types number and string have no overlap. So this is actually checking the variable value and the data type as well. We have the next operator that is not identical. It is just opposite to the identical operator. The syntax of the not identical operator is one exclamation sign followed by 2 equal signs. Our next operator is greater than. We will write console.log, and inside that we'll write our code x greater than y. The code says if the value of x is greater than the value of y, it should return true, otherwise false. As x value is not greater than y, it should give us false. And if I write z greater than x, it should give us true. Similarly, we have another operator that is greater than equals to. It will check the first variable is greater than or equal to the second variable. So in this case, we should get true because our first variable x is equals to y. One of the conditions are getting correct. And if I put here greater than or equals to, it should give us true as well because z is already greater than x. We have another operator that is less than. X less than y, it should give us false because x is not less than y. X is equal to y. And for z less than x, as z is not less than x, it should give us false. And we have the last operator less than equals to. For line number 9, it should give us true. And line number 10, it should give us false. We will save and execute our code once again. We got true and false as expected. These are all about relational operators. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Take care.